So today we are going to be unboxing a brand new Shoei X-Fourteen matte black helmet. This is a really cool helmet, guys. It's a little heavier than the RF-1200, but it's got really awesome features on it. This is a pin lock screen. I just like it because it looks like a shark. I like the way it's pointed. Got your chin, windscreen here. These are all adjustable, which is really cool. And you can also adjust the pads on the inside. So you can adjust it to make the cheek pads lower or higher. Interchangeable, so you can take them out and wash them, just like other Shoeis. It's got the emergency red straps right there for EMS to take out just in case. How do you do that? Oh, there you go. Has this locking mechanism here. Yeah, it says so it's got advanced aerodynamics, wind tunnel, refined stability, optional rear flaps for customizable aerodynamics, ventilation performance, 6 air intakes and 6 exhaust outlets optimized for racing, cheek pad cooling system, which is awesome. It has rotating inner components, increased field of vision. So if you do a lot of track days, this is a really awesome helmet to have. No. If you use this on a matte black finish, you'll just get a big grease spot. So what you want to do is get some of this wipe down stuff. It's only $4. I think it's like $4.23 with tax. Spray that on there. And then boom. Perfect. There are a lot of bags to choose from, but when I choose my favorite one, there's only one I can think of: the Trackside Max Capacity Gear Bag. And what's most awesome about this bag is you can fit a lot of stuff in it. This bag is so big that it can actually carry a person.
Alright, you just go ahead and hop in that bag there. We'll just be taking you carry on.
Okay, donkeys, in.
Sorry, I'm being a bad filmer. Alrighty. You want me to zip you up?
Yep.
All the way?
Yep.
I can't do it with no hands. Trying to film and this isn't working.
There you go.
Alrighty, hold your breath.
Okay.
You know, just, you know, here we go, up we go, alrighty, we're gonna move like 1 foot, alrighty, that's all we got. Alright, you're good, right?
Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
Oh my god!
Alrighty, I'm here. Don't freak out, don't freak out.
It's possible!
It's possible.